going to record this one. All right, so what does the sun give us? Can anyone tell me what the video talked about? What does the sun give us? Justino?
Heat
Heat.
and light.
Heat and light. Perfect. All right, the video talked about how long, it told you a time, how long it takes sunlight to reach Earth. Can anyone tell me how long that is? Christopher. Let's see, it won't let me unmute you. Can you unmute? There we go.
8 minutes.
Yes, the video said 8 minutes. It takes 8 minutes for the sunlight to reach Earth.
Miss Nelson,
Yeah.
It is heat, light, energy.
The sun? Oh, so you want to add energy. Oh,
Yes.
I like it. Energy. You're right, because we get energized when we have sun. Very good. Thank you, Christopher. Okay, next. Can the temperature be different in the shade? Can it be different if you were to be outside, Andres? Can the temperature be different?
Like the temperature outside, it will be like super hot.
And then what happens if you were to go in the shade?
That will be like fresh cold.
It'll be a little bit cooler, won't it? Yeah.
Yes.
So can the temperature be different in the shade? Yes. Do you guys remember the picture from the video? You had two people or two pictures, and one person was in the sun and the other person was in the shade, and the thermometer showed two different temperatures. So it can be different. All right, so the video talks about some ways that the sun can harm us. Let's see, Nelissa, what's one way the sun can harm us?
It can give you a suntan.
It can give you, yeah, let me just really quickly. It can burn your skin. It can burn your skin. What is another way that the sun can harm us? Let's go to Matthew.
It could burn your eyes.
It can hurt your eyes, yeah. Okay. And does anyone have any other ideas? Yulia?
It can make you sick.
It can make you sick, yeah. So if you guys remember the pictures, it showed a little girl and she had her head in her hand. She wasn't feeling well. Sometimes if you're outside too long and it's really hot, you can get sun sickness. It just makes you feel really sick, and your tummy can hurt, and it just does not feel good. So those are a few ways that it can harm us. But we don't want to be afraid of the sun, right? Because we need it. So what are some ways that we can protect ourselves from the sun? Rachel?
By putting sunscreen.
By using sunscreen. Perfect. Any other ways? How else can we protect ourselves? Leonardo? Can you unmute yourself, Leonardo? Do you know how? Okay, go ahead.
There's another way, you can get inside. Sometimes if you're sometimes white, then you have to get sunlight.
Yeah, so maybe if you're outside, just don't stay outside so long. So go inside and take a break. Perfect. Sophia Gonzalez, what is another way that we can protect ourselves?
Wear sunglasses.
Wear sunglasses. That's how we can protect our eyes. Perfect. Any other ideas? Adrian?
Wear a hat.
Wear a hat. Protect your head. Yeah. Sunglasses. Oh, no one has this page. Sorry. The questions for the sun. You guys don't have this. I just made it so that we could talk about it. So you don't worry about this. This is just a way to have a discussion. Thanks for asking. All right. Any other ideas on how we can protect ourselves? Matthew?
Being in the shade.
Yeah, go in the shade. Any other ideas? Angel?
Are we doing night or sun?
The what? Sorry, can you say it again?
Are we doing night or sun?
You don't like the sun?
Yeah, no, I was saying, are we doing it? Sun or not, or night?
We're talking about the sun. Yeah.
So, you need to stay home if you're tired.
Yeah, so maybe stay inside, stay home if it's too hot, right? That's a good idea. Good. Marcelo?
Long sleeves.
Long sleeves, yeah. So you guys, you have those like sun shirts that are long sleeved.
En español, pero estamos
Perfect. So some other ideas that people had in our first class was use an umbrella. So umbrellas can be used for more than just rain. Like if you hold it up, that can be like a shade for you. Another idea we had was going swimming to cool off, because sometimes if we're in the sun too long, we can get overheated. So go in the pool and cool off. Not to stay, yep. Okay, now the sun, we have to have the sun. So what does the sun help us? How does it help us? Rachel? Can you unmute yourself, Rachel? Okay.
It help us get like healthier.
Yeah, it keeps us healthy. You have to have sun. So there's a vitamin called vitamin D in your body. It's produced by sunlight, and you need that. So it keeps us healthy. Perfect. Let's see. Justino. Oopsies. 1 second. Justino, can you, what are some ideas that you have?
You need sunlight so you can see.
You need it so you can see. Yeah. It creates light, right? You need it to see. If it was always dark outside, that would not, you couldn't see. Perfect. Christopher.
To make the plants grow.
Yeah, you need, how does it help us? It helps plants grow. So, where do we get vegetables and stuff like that? Do they have to grow? Right? Those kind of things have to grow. So the sun helps those things grow. So it helps us to have food. Any other ideas on how the sun helps us? Juan Sanchez?
Well, if we didn't have the sun, we wouldn't be here.
We wouldn't be here. We couldn't live on Earth without it. We wouldn't be here. Awesome. Any other ideas? Any other thoughts you want to say about the sun before we move on? Angel?
You better grab on sunscreen after you toss in the pool or you're that hot.
Yeah, if you go into the pool to cool off, you need to have sunscreen on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I don't know about you, but I have had some very bad sunburns in my life, and it does not feel good. It makes you feel sick, and it's hard to sleep because your skin hurts. It's not good, and it can cause skin cancer. So we have to make sure that we protect ourselves. Antonella and then Yulia.
Warm our bodies.
To warm our bodies, yeah. Can you imagine being cold all the time? The sun helps us. It warms our bodies. I do not like being cold, so I am grateful for the sun for that reason alone. Thank you. Yulia, can you unmute yourself, sweetheart?
Well, when I swim, the sun doesn't come.
When you swim, it doesn't come? Do you have superpowers to make it stay away from you?
Well, no. I just wait long time. Then I swim. That's why the sun is going away from me.
Okay, so you choose a time of day to swim and maybe when the sun isn't so bright. Is that what you're saying?
Well, all the time when I swim, the sun sometimes doesn't even come.
Wow. So then you're protected.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's a good idea. So maybe choosing a time to swim when it's not like the brightest time of day. Perfect. All right. Thank you. Great discussion on the sun. Okay, so we're going to stop this and we're going to check our math now. Our math homework from last night. Okay, so last night's homework or yesterday's, you were to fill in the 10s and the 1s on this page. So let's start with number 3. What should I put in the 10s place, the 1s place, and then how should I complete this sentence? What should I write? Adrian, can you unmute yourself, bud? There you go.
There are 10.
How many 10s?
1,
1. How many 1s?
9.
Okay, so 1, 10, and 9 1s is what number?
19.
19. Okay, number 4. How should I fill in this chart? Leonardo?
Like there's 2 10s and 3 1s.
Okay, perfect. 2 10s and 3 1s is what number, Leonardo?
23.
It is. It's 23. Perfect. Raphael, can you do number 5 for me, please?
Do number 5.
You had your hand raised. Do you want to answer number 5 for me?
Look at number 5.
I can come back if you want. I saw your hand was raised.
Do number 5.
How many 10s are there?
4,
4. How many 1s are there?
8,
8. So 4 10s and 8 1s is what number?
84.
Try it again. Flip it. Yeah, there we go. 48. Perfect. 48. Thanks, Raphael. All right, let's go down to number 6. Okay, so number 6 has more than one right answer to this. So, okay, yep. All right, so let's get some ideas on what you wrote down. So Bill has a number. It has the same number of 10s and 1s. What could Bill's number be? Let's start with Sophia Gonzalez. What number did you put?
11.
11. And I saw that Melissa wrote that in the chat as well. 11. Perfect, because the number in the 10s place is the same as the number in the 1s place. Perfect. Juan Bolivar? 55. Yep, because 5 is in both places. Yep, perfect. Angel?
I put 10.
You put 10. So let's look at number 10. So the numbers are different. So if we want them to be the same, what if we did 11 instead? Because then both numbers are the same.
I know they're both same.
Does that make sense?
Because after if you count by ones, that's a 10. Then you count 11, it's 11.
Yeah.
Because 10 more, 1 more is 11.
It is. You're right. 10 and 1 more is 11. Perfect. David, I don't see your face or hear you, but I saw in the chat that you wrote 99, which is correct. 99. 1 second. I'm going to just mute. Okay. What else could you have put down for number 6? Raphael? Oh, sorry, 1 second, bud. Okay. What else could you put down? What was it?
I said 33.
33 is correct. 33. That's a great example. That's a great example of what you could put. Antonella?
22.
22. Do you guys see a pattern? They're all doing something the same. Let's see in the chat, 33. Yep. Ooh, Ignacio, 111. I like that because the tens place and the ones place are the same. That's a great example. Yulia, let's see. Yulia?
My daddy told me to put all of them.
He told you to put all of them? What a smart daddy. What haven't we put down yet on this page? What could we add to this?
88.
88. Perfect. Adrian?
44.
44. That's a good one. Okay. What are we missing? What else could we put? Let's see. Someone wrote. Justino?
66.
66. Perfect. We've got 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. What else could we put? Leonardo, can you unmute yourself?
77.
77, exactly. 77, 88, and 99. Perfect. I think we got all of them. 77, yep, in the chat. Perfect. All right, let's turn the page. 22, Camila? Yeah, you're right. Okay, Louise has juice boxes at her party. There are 3 packages of 10 and 7 extra juice boxes. How many juice boxes are there in all? Write the number of 10s and 1s, then write the total number of juice boxes. Okay, so what am I going to put in the 10s place and the 1s place? Melissa?
37.
Yeah, our number is 37. So what should I put in the 1s place right here, Melissa?
7.
Yeah. 37 is correct. Thank you, Melissa. Okay, number 8. Draw a picture to show a number greater than 25 and less than 75. Then write the number. So again, there's more than one right answer to this problem. So someone tell me a number that they chose that's between 25 and 75. And then tell me how you drew it. Christopher. What number did you put?
56.
56. And how did you draw it? What did you do?
5 groups of 10.
Yeah. Let's so
And 6 groups of 1.
Yeah, 6 left over. Yeah, so 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And then we have 6 left over.
51, 52, 53,
3, 54, 50,
5, 56.
Yeah, perfect. 56. Awesome. Thank you, Christopher. Antonella, what did you put?
27.
You put 27. And how did you make a picture? What did you do?
I did little circles.
You did little circles? Okay, let me see if I can make little circles.
1.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So if I was to make groups of 10, whoa, that was a crazy circle. There's one group of 10. Oh my goodness, the mouse has a mind of its own today. Two groups of 10, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 7 left over. So there's another thing that you can do, but maybe yours looks a little less sloppy than Miss Nelson's. Perfect. Thank you, Antonella. What's another number that someone chose? Angel?
96.
96. So what if we do 69 because that one is in between 25 and 75? Because 96 is greater than 75. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense. Maybe
Okay.
I can, what about, maybe I will take away the 90 because maybe mommy is happy.
Do you want to choose a new number?
I will get another one number because that's a high number. So that's why I'm not.
That's okay. Yeah. So think of a new number and I'll come back to you. Camilo, what number can you unmute yourself, Camilo? I'll come back to you, Angel.
31.
31. And how did you draw your picture?
I use cubes.
Cubes. So how many groups of 10 do I have?
3.
Yeah, 10, 20, 30. How many do I have left over, Camilo?
1.
1. Thank you. Angel, I'm going to come back to you. What's another number we could do?
16.
Did you say 36? You kind of cut out.
No, 6 like a 6 and a 6.
A 6 and a 6. Yeah, let's do that one. 6 and a 6. 66. And then let's draw a picture. 1, or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. How many do we have left over, Angel?
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Perfect. Thank you. Let's see. Sophia Cardona, can you unmute yourself?
Myself.
Okay.
Okay. I put 65.
65. So yours is going to look very similar to Angel's, except for you don't have.
Yeah, and also like 56, but turned around.
Yeah, 56 would be another great example. Perfect. Thank you. And then how would you group that? What would you put?
I put cubes.
Okay.
I put 6 groups of 10 and 5 left over.
Perfect. 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60.
That's what I put on my paper.
You did. Oh, I like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. Okay, let's do one more. Juan Sanchez.
62.
62 would be another great one. I'm running out of space to draw pictures, but I'm just going to put the number 62. Perfect. And then Juan Bolivar, I think I saw your hand. What's another number I could choose? Let's see. Can you talk closer to the computer?
5.
Okay, sorry, one more time.
75.
75. You could choose 75, right? Is that what you said?
No, 35.
Oh, 35. I'm so sorry. 35. Yep. Awesome. Okay. I think you guys have the idea. 45, Ignacio. Yep. Perfect. All right, let's go to number 9. Kai brought 2 packages of 10 juice boxes and 5 extra juice boxes. How many juice boxes did Kai bring? Write the number of 10s and 1s, then write the total number of juice boxes. Okay, what am I going to put in my 10s and my 1s place? Sophia Gonzalez. But what did I put in my 10s place, Sophia?
2.
2. And how about my 1s place?
5.
5. So how many juice boxes do I have?
25.
I have 25. Perfect. Okay, so that was our homework from last night. Any questions about today's homework? Any questions about today's homework? Christopher?
I What homeworks do we have?
For today, that's a good question. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing this screen and I will show you what you have for tonight. Okay. Let me find. Okay, so on Edmodo this morning, I posted what you have for homework. Let's see if it pulls up. All right, so your homework for today is to do pages 471 to 472 in your math book. You also have two online math assignments, 8.3 and 8.4 quick check. If you log into your math book online, you'll see under assignments that Miss Nelson has assigned these to you. So complete those. You have until Sunday night to do that. And then for science, you have a worksheet that I'll show you in just a minute of what that looks like. It's called the sun. And then you're going to follow this link right here to take a quiz for, it's about day and night. And that will be graded as well as the 8.3 and 8.4 quick check. Those will go in, I will enter those as grades on Monday. Okay, so the, let me show you what the sun worksheet looks like. Okay, so this is what the sun worksheet looks like. So you're going to work on this. You're going to fill in the blanks. So the one thing that we haven't talked about that I'll give you the answer right now is the sun. Let's see. Number 3, the sun is made of very hot gases. Okay, so I'm going to give you the answer to that one because we didn't talk about it in our video or our discussion. So number 3, the sun is made of very hot gases. But beside that, you should be able to answer the rest of them. And if you have any questions, please let me know. All right, so that's all the homework that you guys have. You have until, the title of the, so when you go into your math book online under assignments, I titled it 8.3 quick check and 8.4 quick check. So that's what it should say. If you have any problems finding it, please let me know. If you guys need to leave, you're welcome to leave. But if you have any questions, I'll stay around for a little bit. Okay, so if you're leaving, I'll see you Monday. Okay, I'll start with Christopher. Christopher.
What is the Kahoots day and night?